For each of the following, you're going to decide if they're a fragment, not a complete sentence, or a sentence. Number 1, the show was about dolphins. Number 2, Flipper was a dolphin. Number 3, dolphins are very intelligent. Number 4, very playful animals. Number 5, under the water in a big tank. Number 6, dolphins can hear very well. Number 7, because dolphins breathe air. Number 8, just for fun, dolphins. Number 9, it is very entertaining to watch the dolphins. Number 10, I saw that TV show last Sunday about dolphins.